Welcome to the FAA General Mechanic Exam Study Guide. Today we are covering human factors. 8 questions. Listen to each question, think about it, then the answer will be given twice. Let us begin. Question 1. How is a quality system assured? By an internal reporting and auditing system. By an internal reporting and auditing system. Question 2. According to Dr. James Reason, the 2 types of human failure are active and latent. Active and latent. Question 3. Many areas of aviation have shifted their focus from eliminating error to preventing and managing error. Preventing and managing error. Question 4. When we think of aviation safety in a contemporary way, human error is the starting point. The starting point. Question 5. All of the following are consequences of human error except mental stressor. Mental stressor. Question 6. The positive aspects of human factor issues are referred to as the Magnificent Seven. The Magnificent Seven. Question 7. The goal of the SHEL model is to determine not only what the problem is, but also where and why it exists. Where and why it exists. Question 8. The 3 types of human error are omission, commission, and extraneous. Omission, commission, and extraneous. That completes all 8 questions for human factors. Please like and subscribe for all 12 FAA General Mechanic subjects. Good luck on your exam.